Hello. Hello, Luis. How are you? Hello, William.
Hi, teacher.
How are you?
I'm fine. Thanks.
Okay. Tired?
Uh,
I
so-
can imagine it. Don't worry. Okay. Luis, can you talk or is your microphone damaged? I'm going to take the attendance list in the meanwhile. Diana is here, right? No. This time. Okay, so we are gonna start right now. Just to give me a second. Hello, Diana.
Oh,
How are you?
I'm fine.
Excellent. Okay.
you?
Tired, I think, but I am okay.
I see.
So
I
sorry.
finished. I almost finished the platform.
Oh, really? That's nice.
Just missing
The exam.
the last two exam.
Okay, so exam unit 2 and unit 3. No, unit 3 and unit 4 and the last exam, right?
Five, well, 518 and exam, the last exam.
Okay, please don't advance on the last exam because we're gonna finish it tomorrow, and also we're gonna have our verbal test, okay?
Don't finish.
You finish?
No, missing.
Okay, don't finish it until tomorrow. Tomorrow in the class. Okay.
Okay.
Luis, did you fix the microphone, the audio?
Teacher, and about the suggestion you bring me yesterday was not the answer.
Which one?
About wait, making questions. They be like cats.
David
likes cats.
Oh, in this one, I mentioned you that this is wrong. It's
Yes,
a problem of the platform, but I
what kind of does like something like that. But the correct answer was does David like cats?
This was the correct answer.
Yes.
Really?
Yes.
Okay, that's strange.
Yes.
I will check it. Give me a second. Because I cannot find it. Here it is. Oh, yes, yes, it's true because the sentence I just read your answer, but because the sentence just says David likes cats, your answer will be does David like cats? So yes, you are right. Mhm.
Okay.
Sorry, my bad. Okay, guys, thank you for being here, all of you. We are gonna start right now. Can you see my screen?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. So we are gonna make something new today. The idea is that we are going to create funny invitations, but we are going to create an invitation together, okay? That means that maybe William start, then Diana adds another part, and then Saul, and then Emerson, and then Adonai, and then Luis, and so on. But the idea is that you use your imagination to create a funny invitation, right? Like, would you like to go to? Would you like to go? Sorry. Maybe this will be William to Karen's party. This will be Diana, and so on. Okay, so the idea is that we create an interesting question, but together, an interesting invitation. So please use your imagination, be creative here. So the ones we'll start is Emerson. Emerson, are you there?
Hello, teacher. Yes.
Okay. Did you understand the activity?
No, teacher. Sorry, I entry now in the class and I don't hear.
Okay, just basically we're gonna create together an invitation, but in parts. Maybe you can give like the first part of the invitation, like, would you like to? Maybe Saul can continue with the idea. The idea is that this will be a crazy invitation, okay? Use your imagination.
Okay. And would you like to go to sleep in?
Okay, guys, so this is our first part. Would you like to go to sleep within with in which should be the next part? Diego? No, Diego is coming. Diana? The first part is, would you like to go to sleep in?
Would you like? I continue, right? Right.
In? To sleep in?
In the beach.
Okay, in the beach.
In the beach. And I would like to see the sky.
Right. Okay, what else? Guys, let me see. William, would you like to go to sleep in the beach and to see the sky?
Sí. Sky. Also to eat mm, to eat a barbecue, I think.
A barbecue in a beach?
I think.
Okay, it's okay. It's your idea. A barbecue and the beach. In which beach, guys?
Tunco Beach.
Okay, in El Tunco Beach. Okay. Let me see what else. Saúl?
And drink some beer.
Okay. And drink some beers.
Tunco Beach.
Some beers, right? What else? Adonai?
Yes, beers.
Hello, teacher.
Hello. What else can you add to the invitation?
Yes, yes. I think we'll walk around to the beach and to do wildfire into the night.
A what?
Wildfire.
Can you type it, please? Like a fogata?
Yes,
Okay, so yes, it's
Yes.
campfire.
yes, wildfire and through wildfire and see to the start in the sky. In the next morning, we can see awake to the sun.
Very large. We like to go to sleep in the beach and to see the sky, also to eat a barbecue in El Tunco Beach and drink some beers and walk around to the beach and to do a campfire and see the sky, the stars in the sky. And the next morning we can see awake the sun.
The sun.
Very good. Okay, what else?
On the tank.
Appreciate the sunrise.
And appreciate the sunrise. Very good. Okay, so that's all for the invitation. No a crazy party, no drinking alcohol.
Wait, and to continue, we drink beers. And what?
Drink beers and what?
Vodka.
My goodness, like Smirnoff.
Yes.
Okay.
VIP.
Okay, so and continue to drink beers. So you are gonna mix it. My goodness. Vodka, no, like Smirnoff. I think that's the way. Smirnoff, VIP, and what was the other one? I think there is another one that it's called mojito. So, and to drink and to continue to drink beers and Smirnoff, VIP, and mojitos. Oh, okay. So thank you guys for this very good invitation, but no, I cannot drink. So I don't know if you remember that in this final week, we're having just reviews. So we're gonna have a short review about would like, and then we are gonna try to have a time for activities of this topic and also time to practice our interview questions, okay? So we're gonna try to do all this. Please, William, help me read.
Okay. We use it to make, we use it to make invitations. Structure. Would plus subject plus like to plus verb plus complement plus question mark. Example. Would you like to go fishing this weekend? Would you like to go, sorry, would you like to play soccer with me?
Okay, thank you. So easy, just to make invitations, like our invitation about the beach, about the sky, about to see the stars, and so on. So we use it to make invitation. But the key is here. We are going to add to, because here it's another verb, okay? You cannot say like go, because there are two verbs together, and for that reason, you need a connector, the connector to, like to go, okay? Can you give me an example? Let me see. Luis, I don't know if you can talk or your mic is too damaged.
I don't know. You
Oh,
can
yes.
hear me?
Yes.
Sí, yeah. Okay. Would you like to travel with me?
Oh, nice. Would you like to travel with me? Very good. So you see, we add to because I have here like, which is my first verb, and I have travel, which is my second verb. Can you, Emerson, give me another example, please?
Would you like to drink a coffee with me?
Wait.
Or this weekend?
Very good, because with me and with me and with me,
Yes.
this weekend, is that a question?
Yes.
So you need to give the correct intonation in that case.
Would you like to drink a coffee this weekend?
Very good. Now, yes, it is a question. This is a very good question. Would you like to drink a coffee? Maybe in that case, you can put a cup of coffee because coffee, it's uncountable. So you cannot say a coffee. This, it's just in Spanish. Okay, this just happened in Spanish, un café. Here in English, you need to add the quantifier, a cup of coffee. Now you can count them. Okay, so just that. But in the rest, is it okay? Very good. And let me see, Diego, give me another example, please.
Would you like to buy some clothes with me?
Some?
Clothes.
Let's see. Okay, very good. Some clothes with me? Excellent. Okay, so I don't know if you have any doubt about this part, about when to use it, how to use it. Yes, no,
Yes, teacher.
okay. Which is your doubt?
No, teacher, I don't have doubt.
Ah, so the answer it's no, right? Very good. Pay attention, pay attention. So this is another way to use would like, but this is referring to ordering food. I know that you know that you already checked this topic, so please, do you know what's the main difference between will you this part and this one?
I think we don't use to
What do you think it's that?
because we don't use a verb.
Another verb, just one verb. Here it's a noun, like pizza, hamburger, pupusas, tamales, atochuco, chilate. So those are names or nouns. And that's why you don't need a connector. In that case, this is almost in most of the cases, the question of a waiter. Will you like pizza? Will you like hamburger? Yes, I will like pizza, or no, I wouldn't. I will like hamburger. Okay. So can you let me see? Yes, Adonai. Do you have a question?
No, teacher.
Okay, it's because you turned on your camera, your audio. So in that case,
Microphone. My
your microphone. Sorry.
Yes, teacher. Sorry.
Don't worry, don't worry. It's because I'm trying to be dependent on you. So Emerson, can you give me an example?
Yes. Would you like loroco with your pupusas?
Very good example. No, I wouldn't like it. So, oh, sorry, this is a question. Very good. Will you like loroco with your pupusas or maybe in your pupusas? And their answer will be Luis. This is like a conversation. How will you answer it?
No, I would like not pupusas in my pupusas.
Okay. You can say would not or wouldn't with, I think it's better.
Wouldn't. I wouldn't like loroco in my pupusas.
Very good. Yummy. No, I wouldn't like loroco in my pupusas. Very good. So this is the main difference because so please, if you are ordering food, don't add to in if you're talking about a noun after the verb. Now, this is another just examples, but I want to be in this part, which I think it's the most important. Diana, help me read, please, the accept part. This one.
Okay, wait. Accept or decline. Accept. I would love to. Okay, that sounds great. Of course. Sure, let's do it. Yes, I like the idea. Decline. I don't think so. Thanks. That sounds great, but not today, maybe tomorrow. No, I have a lot of homework. I'm not in the mood for.
Okay, thank you. So those are some ways to accept in a polite way. But of course, if you want to be like with more energy, you can do it. And also here, you can decline in a polite way. But if you want to be cruel and you say, no, I don't want to go with you, perfect, it's okay. But I just, this one, it's, I don't want to. I am not in the mood for it. I don't have energy. I don't want, I am tired. I am not in the mood for a film. I am not in the mood for pizza. I don't know, something like that. Okay. Do you have any doubt about the vocabulary?
No.
Okay, very good. So we are going to practice. This is a link for you to practice. I'm gonna share it in the chat of the meeting, right? Please open it and you will find this one. I'm gonna sec. Okay, so the only thing that you have to do is to choose the right answer. Maybe this can be this one. And when you finish, click on terminado, check my answers, and you take the screenshot, send it to the WhatsApp group, and that's all, okay? If you have any problem to open the link, tell me. Thank you, Emerson. Very good, Diana. Excellent. No, I It's the contraction of I will. I would is the contraction of I would. Okay, would. And also I have, it's, sorry, I, it's the contraction of I have.
Teacher,
Sorry, I was mute. I answered all your questions. Sorry, Emerson, I will, it's the contraction of ILL. And I would, it's with D. And also with D, it's the contraction of I have in past. Also, no, Jefferson, it's not okay. You say, I like to come or I love to come. But the most common, it's I like to come. Mhm. So no, it's not possible. If you, then which is the answer is, I
teacher,
don't,
teacher,
yes, tell me.
teacher.
Yes, tell me, Adelaide.
My score was 4.
Okay, we're gonna check it. Don't worry. Who is Sylvia? I have this doubt. Who is Sylvia? Because I noticed here that says Sylvia in the first part. But I don't know who is. Okay, guys, I'm noticed that the imposter. Yes. So here, would you like to watch a horror movie this afternoon? Which do you think it's the correct answers?
For the first one.
Mm-hmm.
Mm,
Okay. Jefferson says A. Sorry,
yes.
I don't like
Mhm.
horror movies.
I think it's a.
A, okay. Thank you, Saul. Okay, the second one, I have 2 tickets for Bruno Mars concert next Sunday. Would you like to go?
B.
Okay, very good. The rest of you, do you agree?
Yes,
Yeah.
it's me.
Okay, number 3. This Friday night, it's my graduation party. I was wondering if you can come. In that case, Jefferson, it's the problem of the redaction. I mean, yes, this is the correct option, but this is wrong. You say just like or love, but you cannot put them together because they means almost the same. So A, B, or C, guys?
A, I would love to come.
I would like to come, or I love to come. Okay, number 4. How about going to a soccer match?
Sí.
See, what a delightful idea. In this one, I noticed that some of you put this one. That's very kind of you. I don't like soccer. I think in this one, you are putting a negative part and also a positive one. This is the positive and this is the negative. So you cannot mix them. In this one, it's the same. Sure, I can't. Sure, I can't. Okay, I'm so sorry. I will be there. You notice the difference? You can, they don't match. And finally, the number 5, I feel like eating a hamburger. Let's go to Tommy's. A, B, or C?
C.
I love to go. Okay, very good. Because this one, I'm sorry, bad, with the greatest pleasure, good, a good answer, a positive one, accepting. And the first, deleting or declining. This one, I can't, declining, what a delightful idea, accepting. Okay, so you cannot mix them. We're gonna check it. Very good, okay. I don't know if it is clear now. I don't know where was the mistake.
In the test,
In the what?
in the, what is the mistake in the test? Say you me.
No, the problem is that you cannot say it like a phrase at the beginning, like sure, like accepting, and then you put sorry, I cannot, because you are accepting and declining at the same time. Okay.
Teacher, in the test, I think the answer is not, but some question is in yes, other question is not.
Mhm.
But I think our question is not.
No.
A
Be careful
mistake.
be careful with this, because you are in most of them you are accepting and also declining,
Yes.
and this is not
Yes.
possible.
Yes, teacher. Sorry.
Okay, don't worry. Okay, so guys, we have interview questions. And this one is in SQL. They are what are the DML and DDL. Also, you have to explain what is ORM and give examples. Also, why is MVZ considered an architecture pattern and not a design pattern? So if you don't have, sorry, Emerson, it was supposed that you already studied this part. So if not, please investigate, because this type of questions are like the ones that they make you in the interview, okay? So you're gonna be in groups, don't worry, in groups. Maybe you can divide. Take a screenshot, please.
Done.
Very good. Okay, Adonai, Diego, Diana, and William will be together. Jefferson, Emerson, Luis, and Saul will be together. And take the screenshot and I will send you to your breakout rooms. You can do it.
in today.
I know the question number three, the one and the second question. I know.
Yes, we can investigate. I know the first one. In SQL, they are the DML and DDL. For example, DML is, I think, definition, manipulation language, I think. No, data manipulation language is like a type of
It's about where we use Java or JavaScript or other language programming.
No, it's like a programming language. It's like a database thing, a database topic.
For example,
That's common.
MySQL
Yes,
or
SQL,
Oracle,
Oracle,
MongoDB,
MongoDB, MySQL. Yes,
MySQL,
and
Firebase.
DDL.
Uh-huh. And
Right.
that's all.
I understand that is object and okay.
DDL is for definition, DML for manipulation.
Yes, I understand, but the question is in SQL, they are the DML and the DDL.
That's true.
But we can define the definition, but
Okay. Uh-huh.
I don't understand the question.
I am saying uh, we
They are
say the definition. Now,
they are the DDL.
I think the question is, this is wrong. It's what are the DDL, I think it's, and the
the
other one.
definition.
Uh-huh.
Mhm. Okay. Okay.
Okay, I got it. And
And to explain what an or m is, and it's word give examples. Okay.
the DDL is about definition, and DML is about the manipulation of the data.
Okay.
Okay, the next question is
Mapper, the map object relations is a technique of the programmer for converting data in the system.
it's the second question. Are you in the second question, Luis?
Wait. Explain what an ORM is and how it works. Give an example of or ORM.
Or RN is assignation, is object relational. I don't remember.
Mm,
Okay, it's a model of programming that allow map the structure of a database.
Mhm. I is object relational map or
Yeah.
ORM. Okay.
Yes. And is is a model.
It's a model, the object.
No, is a model of programming. Of
Programming.
programming that allow a structure a database, a relational database.
Okay, the question explain and how it works. An example is
Mhm.
activity records, SQL archenemy. Examples?
We can use the ORM to acelerar and to speed the developer of a app.
Okay.
Don't use in other language, for example, Flutter or Solid or other language. That is only Java and C#.
Solid is not a language.
No,
It's like
no, it's a structure to the code. Sorry, that is correct.
Basically,
Sorry,
I think basically ORM is used in object-oriented model or object-oriented programming. Basically, in some, yes, for example, or in some language that use this model. You know, Java, JavaScript, and C#, for example.
I know not C#.
Ah,
No, but
no,
I know Java and
nothing,
JavaScript.
only JavaScript.
Yes.
Mm.
In this case, RMFs create a model you can use. In another words, it makes a level of logic without the underlying details of the code. Mapping describes the relationship between an object and the data without knowing how the data is structured. For example, I can see RM versus SQL. Some developers can use raw SQL code to write a direct interface between the application and the database. Most relational database supports SQL to build data interface and application. A little information about that.
You know C#, Diana?
A little bit, but I stopped studying C# because I on focus in this case on JavaScript and React and MySQL and also Mongo. Mongo is the name.
I never use Mongo, but I think Mongo is we use in database. Yes, we change Oracle. Yes.
It is used like a database, like Oracle, but it's like, I don't know.
Oracle is change MySQL. The command is change. I was work with this language to the database.
I never work with Oracle. Only MySQL and MongoDB. Yeah.
Diego, you know Mongo?
I remember a little bit because
Hello, guys.
Teacher.
We're gonna wait for your other classmates, and then we're gonna finish our class, okay? Hello, guys. So I think we're complete. Give me a second. Yes, we are. Okay. So just for feedback, you cannot say no is. You say is not. Okay? Is not. Just that. I know that we didn't have time to practice about like having like a role play between the one that it's hiring and the one that want to be, or the one that it's applying to a job. Nonetheless, I will appreciate that you practice and practice more. I will send you again the interview questions because I know that this is important for you to understand or to manage the definitions, to be able to give examples, or to be able to talk about experience. using this type of I don't know what's languages and I don't know what's the correct word, but the idea is that you talk about the experience, not too much about the definition. I mean, yes, you have to, but the one that it's hiring, it's waiting for a definition and also experience. If you don't have experience, try to practice. Maybe you won't have experience in a job about this, but this will help you if you at least manage this type of things, okay? So please try to do it. Try to investigate as much as you can about the vocabulary. If you are going to apply to a company, try to investigate as much as you can about the vocabulary on the solicitude of the job, because in that way you are going to acquire more vocabulary about the want. Okay, so that's all for the class. Please don't advance on or don't take the test, the final test, don't. But the rest of the course, please do it. You have until Saturday. No, you have until Friday, and just if it is an emergency, try to do it this Friday, because I know I have to send this information to my boss this Thursday, this Saturday. So please try to. I don't know if I just put it here with what? But well, just I'm gonna type it. Complete the courses, but no the final test. Okay, so just that without connection. Maybe I think it's your. Okay, so I don't know if you have any doubt, guys, because we're gonna take it tomorrow, and also we're gonna take our verbal test. And we do this in case if you have any problem with the platform, in case if you have, I don't know, something referring to the platform, if you have any doubt, so you know, that's why. And after that, we are done with the course. So if you don't have any other question, we're gonna finish here.